Hello guys! Today I'll be making a stand for iPad. My son just received an iPad from school. They lent it to us, so I need to make a holder for an iPad. So this I will be using this is scrap wood from I don't know which project, but I'll be using this as a base as a base. So I'll be cutting here. I'll be taking only half of this. And then this will be where the iPad will sit. This is the back and some support to hold the iPad like that. And then this is a half inch, yeah, or 3/8 for the support. So I'll be cutting this like that. Two support here like that, or here this side, and then projected to the back like that. And you can turn that like that and like this, whichever they like. So let's start. Here I'll be using my jigsaw to cut an angle for the support. So I got the pieces now. We'll be starting to put it together. So starting with the back of the iPad. So put some glue on. So here I rounded up the pieces using jigsaw and sanded it up. So I'll be connecting this with carriage bolt like that, but I'll be cutting this. Here I'm installing the arm support on the base.